following me, fellas. Good easy warm-up lap just like before. And then we'll give you guys a little bit more room for this session. Like I said, a little bit slippery out there. I'm just going to let you guys drive a little bit, have some fun with it. Biggest thing is getting the car slowed, so it's, really overemphasize the 8 steps of the corner. Make sure you unwind the wheel before you accelerate, especially in the third gear corner. Just because it's a little slippery, that third gear tends to get a little hairy out there, right? So just have some fun with it. Go ahead and follow me, everyone. Make our way in third as we enter. Driving in conditions like this forces you to be extra smooth, so just try to do that. Nice smooth hands, long and light brakes into the corner, okay? Carry your brakes long into the corner. Help the front end push into the ground, help the car turn. Just be smooth with everything, okay? Carrying the brakes, getting the car to the apex, then unwind before you accelerate, and we'll just kind of ease into the power here, doing a good warm-up for you. Up to 5th gear. And make sure we're getting on the brakes long and light into the corner, folks, downshifting to 4th. Remember to turn in cone, apex cone, and just kind of carry a little brake. Let it roll in the rest of the way, clip the curving, and then unwind, and then slowly start putting the power back into the corner. Turn 2, we want to lift off the throttle, get the car back to the right. And then put a little weight on the rear as you're coming back up the hill by a little bit of light throttle and slowly driving it back out. That'll get you to 5th gear coming down the back. And then obviously slowing it down back up the hill down to 4th. Turn in point, balancing in softly, let the car just roll, clip the curving where the cone should be, and then apex out to the left. A little bit of brake here, looking to the left, keep the wheel moving continuously, long and gradual into the corner, and then open the wheel up and accelerate out to the right lane. We definitely want to go straight over the curb, but set yourself up wide so we can angle in down to 3rd gear to the left. A little bit of brake to the right, clipping the curving, unwinding out. Nice slow hands, get us up to the top, and just be patient, get it down to the inside on the right lane here. Brake before your cone and carry a light brake and help the car turn in there for turn 9 just because it's a little extra slippery there. If we wait too late, we'll probably push that front end around a little bit. Let's unwind and accelerate down the back here, Sam. Getting off those brakes now, shifting to 4th. And just long and light, look at brakes. Just nose it in, down to the curving. A little bit slippery, then we're out to the left. Into turn 2. Nice lift, back to power, slowly driving it out. On the brakes, down to 4th. Long bounce into the corner, let the car just roll in, down to the apex cone. And out to the left, good apex for 3. Looking to the left side. There you go, drop it down. Make sure we're getting to those apexes for you there, Andy and Gerald, right? Especially right now, folks. Make sure we're not coming off the brake too early. Not helping the front end turn. Make sure we're carrying the brakes in and getting the ride through the corner so we know how fast to turn the wheel. Good. Carry the brakes up to the top, looking to the right, dropping it down for me here, Sam. Apex on the right. Good. We did come down just a little bit early. Try to watch that. Right. Give me another run down the back. Good. Light those lights up for me down to 4th. Smooth release off the brake, carrying it in. Good balance. Unwind out. Accelerate in. Start to release your throttle, get the car turned, stop hands, back to power, let the car open up a little. You know, we like to hold that inside lane, let it open up a little bit sooner, so it'll help you get a little bit more power out of it. Fourth gear. Good, nice job keeping the car intact here, looking left. Good laps here, Sam. Really consistent, really good line. Keep it up. Now to the left. We're starting to overemphasize that left and right so much. This is a quick little like switch back left and right to make sure we do favor that left edge before we get in there to turn 7. Good. Make sure we unwind just a little bit more out of 9 there. Good, give me one more run down the back here. You got it. Good job. Good, quick pass for you there, Sam. I like it. Turn in, apex, and unwind. Good. Good, open it up, so you get a little bit more power down, a little straighter on entry here. Nice job. Nice and straight into the corner, nice slow gradual wheel, but it continuously tightens up, so keep the wheel moving. And then open it up, let it drive out with the power. That was better, right? It wasn't so overemphasized, just a little left and right, but that was awesome. Really good job putting everything together here, Sam. Just a giant puzzle piece out here, but you're piecing it together great. That's awesome. Unwind the wheel a little. Good, back to power. Nice job. We got a little second quicker there that time. Nice job. Awesome job there, Sam. Honestly, super good job putting the track together there. Let's have you pull to the right. Only so much we can do right now with the grip levels, but really good job keeping the car online, on track, and good line, good speed throughout for sure for what we got. Nice job. All right, yep. Andy, Gerald, keep going down the back straight the straightaway for me. Sam, go ahead and hop behind Gerald in the silver 145. Keep the straight rolling. All right, Andy, here we go. Into turn 1, looking right. Little balance, curving, apex, smooth throttle, unwind the wheel. Nice little lift off the power coming in. There you go, wall in light brakes all the way up the hill for me. Looking right, balance it in, turn the wheel, get to that apex, and then drive it out. Good job. Just turn the wheel a tiny bit more for me there, Gerald. All right, let's get that car down to that apex.
Wow.
Remember, folks, just look ahead. Get the car where it's supposed to be. And unwind out. Nice job. Didn't have anything to say about that line there. Did really well. Just keep working with the momentum. It is what it is right now here, folks. Almost like we're driving blind down the inner straightaway here. Make sure we're staying on the left side of the road, fellas. There we go. brakes on. Down to 4s.
Take this turn a little high.
And out to the left. Back to the right. This will definitely be some cool PDR videos to show people back home, right, folks? Let's get the brakes on into turn 3 here, Andy. Right. Mark the car down to the curbing. Look down the road a little bit. There you go. We're just a little tight on the inside, but you got to that apex. Nice job. Better, Gerald. Keep it up. Back to the left here for me, Andy. Apex. Eyes up. Unwind out on the power. Well, at least we can work with a little car control out here, right, fellas? A little bit of brake. There you go. So notice how when we come out of turn 8, we still have to turn a little bit. Try to stay up a little taller and just almost like a diamond effect there. You don't want to kind of round it off too much. One more run down the straightaway for you here. We can actually see down the straightaway this lap. Let's keep her going. Off the gas, get the car to the right side, clip that apex for me. Power it out. Down to 4th gear. Balance in, keep it tight. There you go, and nice, out to the left. Just turn that wheel a little quicker throughout. Your entry was solid, just a little bit. Speed the wheel up a tiny bit more throughout, and that would have been it. Try to use a little bit more curbing. Good job. Now try to come up a little taller. A little taller, and tight to the right. There you go, now we're straight right there, right? See that? That's what you want. Nice job. Nice job there, Andy. You fixed a lot of those little things out there. Nice job. Let's have you pull to the right. Good laps out there. It's Gerald and Sam up behind me here. Andy, you're going to hop behind the blue car. Alright, Gerald, here we go. Nice job, fellas. Like I said, do what you can. Keep the car going. Try to use a little bit more road, Gerald, meaning get a little bit tighter on the inside, like on the curbing at the apex. That way you do have a little bit more room leaving the corner. You want to use every inch of the road. That'll kind of help out, you know, get a little power down because they're straightening the wheel out a little sooner as well. Even with turn 3 here, as we carry the brake in, we're just going to let it roll and tighten the wheel up a little bit more, like down here. And then you can power it out, right? But get down in there a little bit sooner. Brake, back to the left. Long and light brace, be soft with your hands into the S's here, folks. Back to the right. Just a little early in the 7, but not much though. Good, back to the left. A little slippery here, just watch it. Good, just a little early with the turn in, right? And the right just turns left to place on entry. little hot there, Gerald. That's all that was. Trying to work with those brakes. And try not to just jump to the throttle, right before you get there. Try to just let it roll and get a little tighter at the inside before, so we can, like I said, just have a little bit more room leaving the corner so we're not fighting the exit. Good, back to the left. Good lap, nice and quick. A little wide there, buddy, but it's okay. Let's roll down here, folks. We're going to do a cool down lap. Awesome job. Way to keep it on the road there, Gerald. Nice job, buddy. That was a good quick lap for you, for sure. Nice job. Just a little early, right? Try not to turn when I turn. That's kind of the biggest thing there, but really solid job, folks. Like I said, just kind of, it is what it is with what we got right now. But good job keeping them in control, right? Nice job, fellas. Little radio silence as we enjoy this last lap on the racetrack, so just give you a little silence so we can enjoy this last little parade lap. And then we will exit this time. Got one more classroom for you folks to do. So just hang tight with me here. And just cool it down. Alright, folks, we are going to exit this time. Let's pop our left-hand turn signals on and exit the course. Like I said, folks, awesome job out there. There's only so much we can do, but you guys really did a good job keeping it in control, and honestly, still fixing little mistakes out there that we made. We're learning how to adjust to the driving conditions and learning how to adjust the car and how to use the pedals to get the car going where we still want it to go. And that plays, a good part in like driving in the rain or driving in the wet when it's slippery out there. It forces you to be extra smooth and forces you to carry the brake and balance the car a little bit longer than you think. And, when it does happen to dry up and you start to go a little quicker out there, it does pay dividend because you already have that muscle memory of being extra smooth, and it helps out even in the dry driving. It helps you get a little quicker. So, but good job overall, everyone. Once we come in here, we'll get the cars parked. Hit stop recording on your PDR system, then select park. We'll turn the cars off and grab your SD cards, and we'll go inside for a final classroom, fellas. Nice job.